Hey, what's going on, guys? Let's do this problem right here. The question is asking to find the volume of the region that's bounded by these two curves right here, and it's rotating around x is equal to 4. And let's see how we can draw this picture. First, we have to draw the graph, right? So let's draw the graph first. Okay, so we have this one, and if you notice, this is negative x squares. This means parabola opening down. And this is positive x square, so it means parabola opening up. But we have to know what are the x-intercepts. For this one, we know this is going to be in origin, but for this one, we have to know. To find that one, what I can do, I can plug 0 for the y value and see what are the x values at y is equal to 0. So if I plug 0 right here, I will get 4x. I can take the x common. If I take x common, I get 4 minus x square. 4 minus x square. So it means x is equal to 0, x is equal to 0, and x is equal to 4. So these are the two locations I'm going to get. So let's plug these values. X is equal to 0, x is equal to 4. So the opening down is going to be like this. 0 to 4. And this x square, we know that's going to be starting from the origin, and it's going to cross somewhere right here. But to find where it is crossing, what I can do, I can equate these two lines, these two equations, and see the point. So here we have x square is equal to 4x minus x square, and if you equate this one, and you can bring the other one to the other side, so it's going to be 0 is equal to 4x minus 2x square, and here we can take the 2 common. So 2, if I take 2 common, this is going to be 2x common, so this is going to be 2 minus x, so 2 minus x, so x is equal to 0. We get 2 points, 0 and x is equal to 2. So this one is crossing at 2 right here. So this point is 2. And what we do in this, in between, we have to draw a rectangle, and also the origin that's rotating is here. So x is equal, this is rotating at x is equal to 4. So this is where it's going to rotate, right? Now we have to find the r and the height. So height is basically this height right here. So to find height, what I have to do, take this first line. This line equation is y is equal to 4x minus x square, and subtract with this line. So this line is x square, y is equal to x square. So if I subtract that one, that will give the height. So we have 4x minus x square minus x square, that will give us 4x minus 2x square. And to find the r is basically the distance from this rotating region, this perpendicular distance from rotating place, and here from the rectangle. So this is we call r. From the origin to the rectangle, that is called x. And if you notice, from here to here, the total distance is 4. So to find the r, what I can do, r is equal to this total distance minus this one, that's going to give us this distance. So this is going to be 4 minus x, and we have this height right here and this distance right here. So we can now apply this one in the volume equation. Volume equation is v is equal to 2 pi integral a to b rx hx dx. So this is the volume equation. And also we have to know the points right here, a to b, and we found out that is 0 to 2. So that's the point we are going to use. So this is going to be 2 pi 0 to 2 and Rx is going to be, Rx we found out right here, that is 4 minus x. 4 minus x, hx is going to be 4x minus 2x square. So this is 4x minus 2x square dx. Now let's multiply everything and make it simpler. So 2 phi integral 0 to 2, 4 times 4x, that's going to be 16x. 4 times minus 2x square, that's going to be negative 8x square. And negative x times 4x, that's going to be negative 4x square. Negative x times negative 2x square, that's going to be positive 2x cubed. So this is the values we get. Let's simplify this one. Let's arrange this one in order of powers also. Okay, so let's do this. 2 phi integral 0 to 2, and 2x cube is the highest power, so I bring this one to the front. 2x cube, and then here we can add them together. Minus x square minus 4x square, that's going to be minus 12x square. So this is going to be minus 12x square plus 16x. Now this one is easy to integrate, so let's do the integration. So 2 phi, if I integrate this one, this is going to be 2x power 4 divided by 4 minus 12x cube over 3 plus 16x square over 2, going from 0 to 2, and let's make it simpler. So here we can cancel this 3 and 12, that's going to be 4 right here, and here also we can cancel this 2 and 16, that's going to be 8 right here, and let's continue this one right here. Okay, so we have 2 phi, and if I substitute 2 for these values, the first one is going to be 2 times 2 power 4 divided by 4 minus 4x cube is going to be 4 times 2 power 3, and the next one plus 8 times x square, so 8 times 2 square. And the next one, if I'm going to deduct this one from this one is 0, because if I apply 0, the whole thing is going to be 0, so we can put a simple subtraction 0 right here. That doesn't make any difference. So this is the only value we are going to get. So this is going to be 2 phi, and 2 power 4 is 16. And also here also I could have cancelled this 2 and 4. Let's see. Okay, so we have 16 times 2, 32 divided by 4 is going to be 8. So 8 minus 8 times 4, 32, plus 4 times 8, 32 again. 32 cancels. We end up with 16 phi. So final answer is 16 phi, and that's how we do this. I hope you guys like this video. See you next time.